the island of Mina'Gualo, you hear aloud the natives say, as you come along and visit us, a word hello called Hafa Adai,
Hafa Adai,
with a happy smile on their face and a friendly smile that close in place, really meaning what they say. Each time they simply say Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, how are you? Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, thank you. Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Let me help you, friend, say the word. You must promise me, friend, that you'll try. 8 letters I know you have heard, and it's spelled H-A-F-A-A-D-A-I. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just pronounce it as in Hafa Adai. Sing it with the beat and say it every day, like Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, how are you? Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, thank you. Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. All the Chamoru say this word and express in many different ways. Like when you meet a Chamorita girl, you softly say Hafa Adai. And if you ever need a native friend or a helping hand along the way, wear a friendly smile and talk Chamoru style. Simply Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, how are you? Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, thank you. Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. One more time. Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, how are you? Hafa Adai Todo Maulick, thank you. Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa Adai, Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Hafa Adai. Hafa, 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 Hafa Adai. Hafa Adai.